During this pandemic, there has been an eye turned to how small business can stay competitive in an increasingly large corporate industry. These are just a few of the ways small businesses are going out of their way to compete against the big box stores. The price of computers and aggregating data has gone down. Small businesses can use technology to see if customers are favoring one item, or they can use electronic price tags to continually scan competitors' prices. Many small businesses participate in group buying. This allows a minimum number of buyers to make a purchase of products or services at a significantly reduced price. Small businesses are also far nimbler and can adapt quicker to their specific community's needs and wants. A company must think outside the box to break through the ease and standardization of large corporations. Go above and beyond with customer service to make sure your community is cared for. Customers will love a product that is custom fit for themselves or their community. Don't forget to give back to others in the community, whether that is supporting other local shops with your business or supporting a local Little League team. It helps the small business stay competitive when they are actively working with their neighbors. You are the most important part of the equation. It is you who choose to support your local community by buying from a small business, whether it is spending a little extra for shipping or taking a second stop on your shopping trip. Small businesses would not make it without your support.